Chapter 16 Conjugations. Get, set, go. Learn with me. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to link words or group of words, phrases or clauses helping to establish relationships and connections between them. Here are some common conjunctions. And, but, or. And is used to connect two similar ideas or things. Examples: bananas and milk are good for health. They traveled to Paris and explored all museums. But is used to connect two opposite ideas. Examples: the lane was blocked, but we managed to find another route. We ran fast, but could not catch the train. Or is used to choose from some options. Examples: what should I have? Green tea or coffee? Is this the correct address, or do I need to find another one? Or is used to mean if not. Examples: stop stalking that girl or you will be punished. Do your homework or you will not be allowed to go out. Yet so. Yet is used to mean in spite of / despite. It almost means the same as but. Examples: it is June, yet not very hot. Seema is very polite, yet she was scolded. So is used to talk about the results. Examples: as you sow, so shall you reap. I reached the dining hall late, so I missed the dinner. Because, as, since. Because, as, since are used to give a reason. For example, Malvika arrived late because she had a minor accident. As she was sick, she cancelled all her appointments. Since you have positive attitude, obstacles cannot hamper your preparation. If, though, although. If is used to talk about a condition. Examples: if the rain stops, the match will resume. If you water plants regularly, they grow better. Though or although is used to talk about two different or opposite ideas. Examples: though she worked hard, she could not crack the entrance test. Although it was humid, they went for rock climbing. When, while, whenever, before, till, until. When, while, whenever, before, after, till and until are used to talk about time relationship. Examples: when you finish your homework, you can play outside. The children shouted while I was closing the door. We can go for cycling whenever you want. Wear swimming costume before entering the pool. He took a bath after finishing his workout. You cannot leave the office till the task is completed. The baby slept until the dog barked.